Ma, nandito na kami ng friends ko.
Yes. Okay, sure.
Hi! Oh my God! Hi,
Hello
dear!
po,
Oh my God, I'm so
tita.
sorry. Busy, mom. Okay lang kayo dyan? Oh, no. Don't hubad your shoes na, okay? Papalinis ko na lang yan. Okay. Yaya, pakidala sila sa guest room, okay?
Ay, hello, tita.
Sorry sa istorbo. Okay lang kayo?
Yes po, tita.
Okay. Mag-snacks muna kayo.
Ay, hala, thank you
Habang
po.
hinahantay pa yung luto ni Chef.
Baka po langgamin yung kwarto.
It's okay. Walang langgam here.
Ay, okay po.
Yeah, you can eat sa bed, sa sahig, sa table, anywhere you want. Okay, honey, this is a safe space. Okay, let me know or yaya ha kapag may kailangan ka.
Okay po. Thank you po,
Bye-bye
tita.
Hi!
Hello po,
Ano,
tita.
enjoy kayo?
Opo.
Yeah, swim lang. O ikaw, bakit nandiyan ka lang sa gilid?
Ay, di po ako nalangoy.
You don't know how to swim?
Opo.
Oh my God, gusto mo tawagan ko yung personal swim coach ng anak ko?
Ay, wag
Papaturuan
na
kita
po.
lumangoy, okay? Yeah, hello. Andito yung friend ng anak ko. Can you teach her how to swim?
Ah, tita, uuwi na po ako.
Ay, uuwi ka na.
Opo.
Gabi na. Don't you wanna stay over here na lang? Sleep over ka na here.
Ay, wala po akong dalang damit
no, don't worry
eh.
about that. We can go to the mall. We will buy you some clothes.
Okay lang po, hinahanap na po ako ni mama.
Okay. No, don't worry. I can hatid you, okay?
Ay, thank you
Yeah,
po.
let's go to the car. Wala kasi si driver ngayon. So, I can drive you home naman. Don't worry. Okay, let's go.